If you're new to my channel, I'm Rashmi. If you're not yet subscribed, then subscribe, it's free. Subscribe Rashmis Vlog Life, it's free. After subscribed, click on bell notification button. In that option, select all to get notified every time. Thank you for watching and keep supporting me and my channel. Today's video is a continuation of a haul video. In this, I already unboxed this work planner from Giraffe. So in this I'll be do a detailed first impression video about this book. So this comes inside this box. This is also pastel pink or pastel baby pink or baby rose, I can say this one. And so in this box it's mentioned you are fun. Behind this it's mentioned about this or Giraffe. Both are mentioned in a holographic way only. And it came in this cute pack, you know, seriously I don't want to throw this one. This is kind of a gold bubble wrap, I can see. And I got 9 complimentary cards. First card is step out and turn those case to MS Curl. Next one is you glow girl. The third one is you deserve hugs, ice creams, diamond rings, cookies, kisses, all. The fourth one is you are fresher than the fresh flowers. These are the complimentary cards. Another one is to put it straight, you are perfect bang. The next one is you stand out from the crowd even when you are comfortably seated. Then the third, this one is I think, okay. Even if Beyonce were my friend, I would spend the evening with you. You are odd AF. Next thing is my dictionary has a picture of you for charming. So this is what I got in this complimentary cards from Odd Giraffe. Moving on to this planner. If I open this planner, first thing is stickers. You can see the stickers here and also here. Then after stickers, if I turn this page, months 2018 and 2019 year, calendar is mentioned. And then here it's mentioned write down some, and this is a reason to party. So all the month, few important things you can mention here. And then holidays and best days here. I don't know why if I show this my camera is showing a little dark. So holidays here and then best days. Then if I move to January, hey girl, hey, that's what it's written. And few things, it's like important things for the days you can mention here, and some notes if you want. And gold diggers, like 3 things I'm grateful for, skills I'm practicing, books I'm reading, goals for the month, and calories burned week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, do more, do less, water intake, and work, what worked and what didn't work. And then some doodles. Then like diary wise it's mentioned, you can write down this. Moving on to the Feb, this is what it's mentioned in the Feb, let's make out. And for the March, it's colorful. And in April, then just start in a May. So the June is don't grow up. And then if I go for July month, pretty odd. Then in August, it's kitty cat. And too fab for your negativity, for the August month they mentioned. And in September, flamingo. October, really good month. That's what it's mentioned in October. And the favorite is my birthday month, November. November, it's Girl Boss. That's my month with the Girl Boss mentioned here. And then I go for the December. It's why not? Not why not. It's why not. And few party things mentioned. So that's what it's there, and that's what in the end you will have some sneak peek where you can put your notes, anything. 11 things you need to know about your agenda. That's what they gave me. So that's it about this cute little agenda I got. I think the cost is around 1,000. Let me check. The cost is around 1,199 rupees along with the shipping charges. So I think around 1,300 I paid for this agenda. This is a cute one. Once in a year you can have this kind of agenda. This is one of my favorite agenda. I was searching for this kind of pastel pink, and also, you know, I want something it's mentioned on my birthday month, a girl boss. If you want to know how I make my mehendi designs easy and simple way, like till this I completely drew by myself. So if you want to know about these kind of videos, then hit on the like button. And if you like my channel, then subscribe, it's free, and share it with everyone, and comment below this video if you want anything related to the upcoming videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Have a great day.